This is Doris Dike with Dike Law Group. I wanted to talk to you today about MSOs, or Management Services Organizations. Now, an MSO is a vehicle used by private equity or any other healthcare entrepreneur wanting to get into the healthcare space. It's not a new concept. It's not something that's dreamed up. It is a contract that is used in all of these types of organizations when an owner of the entity is not a physician. It's the vehicle that you use when there's a non-physician owner. Now, MSOs are different in every state. Now, some of the terms of the contract will be the same, but you really want to have an understanding of your state's corporate practice of medicine statutes. Now, every state doesn't have a corporate practice of medicine, but most do. And in essence, the corporate practice of medicine states that only physicians should own a medical practice. So the first thing that you need to consider is if the type of business that you're having is considered the practice of medicine. Each state will consider the practice of medicine different. So you have to understand if what you're trying to do is considered the practice of medicine. If it is, then you need to get an MSO, a Management Service Organization. That organization will allow you to participate in owning a healthcare business, but you will have to partner with the physician. Like I mentioned earlier, each state's MSOs will be different because each state will have a different corporate practice of medicine statute. So the way that fees are distributed between the parties will be different in every state. So a California MSO will be different than a Texas MSO, and that Texas MSO will be different than a New York MSO. So have a firm understanding of your state's corporate practice of medicine law before you decide to start a healthcare entity, because you have to understand that when you're drafting the agreement. So if you have any questions and you're really interested in starting a healthcare organization, give me a call. I'll be glad to help you. I'll walk you through your state's corporate practice of medicine statutes, and I'll draft you an MSO that will abide by your state law. Thanks so much. Bye.